Welcome back to another video from John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max. Today behind me is this beautiful Porsche 911 997.2 spec'd in the highest spec, the Turbo S. It's sort of summertime in Britain now, so all the convertibles are coming out to play, and this one has been in for an Apple CarPlay upgrade, Android Auto upgrade, and we got reverse camera as well. Let's jump in and I'll show you what it looks like. Welcoming you into the interior of the Porsche 997.2 Turbo. Here is the factory system. Here is Apple CarPlay added to the original screen. We can control it via the original control dial here, or we can actually use the touchscreen if we want to use that as well. It's quite easy just to punch and click and skip tracks using the touchscreen. So nice to have the best of both worlds though, because sometimes while driving it's easier just to turn a wheel rather than use a touchscreen. Touchscreen is obviously from about nearly 10-15 years ago, and so it's not as nice and as smooth as your iPhone 17 Pro touchscreen, but it is more than usable. You go to your contacts, recents, favorites. If you haven't heard of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the reason why people are upgrading to this is to have a much better experience with their smartphone while driving. So they can use things like their phone for calling people. They got navigation apps like Apple Maps. You got Google Maps as well. Waze looks a little bit better on this screen in dark mode, to be honest. That's normally what I'd recommend. Google Maps, much nicer way of navigating, much better than any built-in navigation using Apple Maps, Waze and Google Maps, these types of navis. You got radio player, which is how you would play your radio after having this upgrade. So I can listen to Magic or Magic Classical, whatever I fancy, maybe a bit of Mellow Magic. Press the back button here, you'll notice will take you back out while you're in menus. Tidal is what I use for my music. That is personally our personal choice for music, but yeah, Tidal, great music app, but works the same as Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music and all the rest. But that's Apple CarPlay. Android Auto works very similar. I'll pop it in reverse to show you the reverse camera. The reverse camera looks like this on the screen. We got some moving guidelines just to help aid you and get you towards the space that you're heading into. Now, I didn't actually show you the reverse camera in the back of it, so that's pretty much it for Apple CarPlay on the factory screen. Here's a reverse camera on the back of the car, because I didn't show you when I was walking around the exterior, but here it is. It's a little small flash camera, very discreet. It's just there if you can't see it. Hopefully you can. But that's it. As you can see, you can hardly see it when standing at a normal level, and when you're looking back at the car, what a weapon, absolute beauty. That's it. This is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a reverse camera added to a Porsche 997.2 Turbo S. If you've got a Porsche 911 and you want to do some upgrades, get in contact with us. Doesn't matter what year it is. We cover everything from brand new to old classics. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.